Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I have a DIY for you guys today. I did a bunch of these up for the store, and then I had somebody come in and say, why don't you have green? And I'm like, you know what? I don't know, because we have them in our big size. And so I did one up, and it sold, but not to the person who requested it. So now I'm doing another one for her. What am I talking about? Bundt pan pumpkins. Let me take you on a quick walk through the store here quick, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we collected bundt pans throughout the year. This one got painted orange. It has an old spindle in there for the stem, some wood flowers, some greenery. And I did keep some of them in their original colors, in the greens. And then we did the little molds for the copper ones, and I did those in orange, and this is what she requested, was that size in green. And then I did some of these in green too, and she bought those because those were left, but the other one was sold out. Sorry, we had people walk in. So what I did was did them in green, and I don't even have them here to show you, so I'll try to pop them up in the corner up here, but I'm going to show you today how I did it. So give me a second to sit back down. Here's another one in orange. Those are just sticks from my yard. All right. So we had to go out and buy another copper, it's not real copper, mold to do this one because I am out at home and out here at the store. This was $2.99 at Goodwill, and we'll just have to get this tag off. So you're gonna need one of these, or the little small molds, or a big bundt pan. All of them work. Paint, today's paint, we are using Country Chic, and this is, Secret Garden, and it is a perfect shade of vintagey green. Then you're gonna need something for your stem. Today we're going to use a spool, a wooden spool of thread, and yes, I am going to take the tape off of that, glue down the thread, and we're going to leave it as is. We have a little bit of greenery. I may make a leaf out of some burlap. We have some ribbon, and then a brush, and then this is just some moss. I don't remember if I got this at the Dollar Tree or Walmart or thrifted it, but it's cheap. I have made probably 20 some pumpkins with this, and I still have some left, and that doesn't account for the crap that ended up on my floor. And then you're gonna need some type of glue, some E6000. I've used hot glue at home with E6000. I don't have my hot glue gun here, so we are gonna use some Tight Bond and some E6000. We're gonna use both of those. So let's get started by getting this tag off. I'm going to wash this down, and then I'm going to come back, probably put you guys on fast forward. I know right off the bat this is going to take 3 coats of the green because it's such a slick surface. It's going to need those extra coats just to get this some good coverage on here. Be right back. Okay, so I'm terrible. It's been super busy today, and I was waiting for this to dry, and then all of a sudden it was dry, and I finished it, and I wasn't even thinking, you guys. So after I painted 3 coats of the Secret Garden by Country Chic on here, I did go ahead and put a top coat on it, just so that it withholds a little bit better because it was a super shiny surface. I then took my thread and glued that on there, and I just did some E6000 on there today, and then as the same with the Spanish moss, just some E6000. I put a little glue on a leaf that I made out of some burlap and the little piece of greenery, and as soon as this is dry it will go out for sale. So there you have it. And again, if you look at the beginning of this, you can see the ones that I did in orange. And then the bigger bundt pans that I left, some of them the colors that they originally were, and the other ones that I painted. So Let me know what you think of this DIY. These have been selling as fast as I've been putting them out, so you know, scoop them up, and I will go back to collecting them for next year. We will see you guys all next time. Please like, subscribe, and share, and bye.